In primetime news this evening, wrong move. Anthropologist slams decision to cut funding to violence interrupters. Payments coming. Motorists affected by bad gas in 2015 to receive compensation early next year. And papaya leaf juice for dengue treatment. We get medical advice on the herbal remedy. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, we have the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Well, Andrea, we've reported for many months that inflation is trending too low. Well, for the month of November, consumer prices soared to a 5-year high. Now, I'll have the details in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrew. From Andrew, we go to Jordan, who has what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, you'd think that after receiving so many awards, you'd get tired of it, but not so for multiple World and Olympic champions Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce, who won the first ever Pan Am Sports Award recently. We'll give you her reaction in Primetime Sports Monday.
Thank you, Jordan. We also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on the decision to cut funding for social intervention programs in volatile communities?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.